There is a divisibility rule for 7, but it's a little bit complicated. I'm going to talk about it at the end. So the best way to do this question, I think, is just to write down some multiples of 7. Right, we know that 70 is, so that's a good starting point. And then 35 is, so if we add those two together, we get another multiple of 7, 105. So we can see it straight away, 104 and 106 and 108 are going to fail. If I keep adding 7 on, I get 112. So actually, that is multiple of 7, whilst the others are not. So the divisibility rule is that you take your number, in this case 112, we know this is divisible by 7. You take the last digit, you remove it, and then you double it. And then you subtract it from the remaining digits. It's possible to show where this comes from, but it's pretty advanced, so I'm not going to go into that here. And then whatever you get, you then it either is a multiple of 7, and so you know that the original number is a multiple of 7, or maybe, or if it's not, then it's not, or it might be that you have to repeat the process. So let me do one more example. I'm going to go with 3941. So we take the last digit 1 and we double it and we subtract it from 394. This gives 392. We then take the last digit from there, which is now 2, double it and subtract it from the remaining digits. And that gets us to 35, which we can recognize is divisible by 7. So you could just, on your calculator, do 7 times some other really big numbers and, check it. In fact, I'll give you one more little challenge if you want to test this. So the number 674,205. Show that that is divisible by 7 using the divisibility rule. So pause the video and give that a go. Okay, let's take the process. So 67420 minus 10 is going to be 67410. Oh, this next bit's actually pretty nice. We just do 6741 minus 2 times 0. Then 674 minus 2. 67 minus 4 gives 63. And you might recognize that that is 7 times 9. If not, we just keep going. 6 minus 6 is 0, and that is divisible by 7. Leaves a remainder of 0, so the original number also is. Very neat.